All right, it's time now to talk garages. So many of us have them, but there's a good chance it isn't your favorite space in your house. Mine happens to be one of my favorite places, but I don't have this yet, Peter, and I'm telling you. Anyway, sorry.
We're talking about some easy upgrades, though, so Scott, take some notes. It can make your garage the best on the block. So here now to tell us how it can be done in as little as a day is DiStefano Brothers Concrete Coatings founder and president Peter DiStefano and general manager Liz Berman. Thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Very excited about this segment. Tell me, you can do this in as little as one day, or it takes a little bit longer than that?
No, one day. Absolutely.
One day.
Come in, we bring the crew, start at 7 a.m. most of the time, 7:30. Come in, they start with a 6-step process, and by the end of the next day, you can park on your garage
Peter,
floor.
this is nicer than my kitchen.
He's not kidding
This
you.
isn't the first time I've heard this.
It's not, right? I used to have a 3-bay garage, and I wanted to do it to 3-bay. I'm down to 1 bay because I moved into a condo. But you can do it 1, 2, 3 bays. You can do it anything.
Yeah, absolutely.
Any size.
Yep.
Any size. And you have choices here, but you can also do custom as well.
Absolutely.
We can do any color you like.
Yep.
And you were saying that you can do logos, you can do sports teams, you can do whatever.
Absolutely, yeah.
That's incredible.
Yep.
Tell us what the process is. Tell us what you're actually doing, what your company does.
Yeah, sure. Go for it, Liz.
So the first step that we do is prep. Preparation is key with any home improvement product that you do. You want to make sure that you're going to prep everything properly. So we come in with a 700-pound diamond head concrete grinder so we can profile the surface of the floor. Every single grinder that we use, from the really big mean ones to the small hand grinders to get in hard to reach areas, they're all hooked up to HEPA filtered vacuums.
Oh my God.
So we're going to keep it as dust-free as possible.
Amazing.
Right.
After we grind, then we're going to vacuum up all that dust. We're also going to fix any cracks, divots,
Yeah,
any
I have some
imperfections.
cracks in my garage floor.
Well, concrete will do that, right?
Concrete cracks, it's the one thing it'll do.
Yeah.
It's the one thing it'll do. So we're going to mend all of those cracks, make sure everything is nice, even, and smooth before we proceed.
I'm just thinking, I'm so excited.
He is
Again, I'm
literally
thinking,
baking.
ladies, for your husband for Christmas, would this not be an awesome gift?
Absolutely.
Have him come home. It's done in a day.
Yeah.
He picked the. I have goosebumps.
For
This
the
is,
feel
person
like-
that has everything,
exactly. This is spectacular.
This isn't just for men, though. I feel like women would really
absolutely.
appreciate a clean garage.
You're
We
absolutely
always
right.
thought our target
Absolutely.
market was going to be men, and we found out that women really love it.
Women
'Cause it's
really
clean.
like a
It's
clean
clean.
garage.
It's clean. I'm sorry. Continue with the process.
no, that's
Yeah.
fine. So after we mend, then we're going to put down our award-winning Polyurea base coat. Now that's the magic. What actually adheres to the concrete itself. And the reason we chose this product is because it can withstand our freeze and thaw cycles that we have here in New England.
Oh, that's
so this
important.
is actually a little piece of the base coat that we have. Now it's not super flexible, but you can see that it can bend just enough to move with the concrete as it moves.
Absolutely.
So we're
Oh,
going to
that's
lay the
incredible.
base coat, broadcast the chip. It'll cure in about an hour, hour and a half. We scrape off all the excess, and then we put on the clear polyaspartic coat. Now you can see just how flexible the clear coat is.
that's
Again,
amazing.
making it so that you can,
It's like a sandwich.
so it can move with your concrete, and that's
look at
why
this.
we chose
Wow,
this
look at
product.
the difference.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, and it like molds almost.
Absolutely.
And then you get to
That's
pick
incredible.
the colors.
Yep.
Absolutely.
And then that application takes place. And this is guaranteed for 15 years?
Yep. 15-year warranty.
15 years against chips, cracks, the whole 9 yards.
Not cracks.
Not
concrete
crack.
can crack.
Concrete can crack.
But against peeling, chipping, and delamination of the product.
Can we just show some of these beautiful
Absolutely.
examples?
I know, we were
Please do.
flipping through
And
the
these are
booklet
just
before,
some
too.
of the colors.
Just some. We just wanted to bring a few so you could get an example of what we're
But
getting.
they're beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at
I
this
like
with
this blue-gray.
the blue with the tint of blue in
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, that's
Really
one of our
pretty.
most popular colors right there, Matunic Oyster.
And you say, Peter, you were telling us people do sports teams?
Absolutely, yeah.
That is so cool.
If you want a logo, a John Deere, if you're a John Deere or a Harley person, we've done a few Harley logos on their floors.
And what's
businesses.
the bucket, Liz?
So this is a holiday promotion that we're running. So again, get somebody the gift, the person that has everything.
Yeah.
This is such an amazing gift. It'll last them for years to come. So this is something that you can possibly put under the tree.
That's
right?
awesome.
So you actually have a physical present to give. So what we're doing for the holidays is if you book your installation, it doesn't have to be installed.
Okay.
But if you just book it before the end of the year, then you will get this gift basket, and then you'll also get $250 off your product.
Wow.
Consultations, you'll come to the house and
Absolutely,
take a look?
for free.
Absolutely.
Yep.
For free?
Yep.
Terrific.
Yep. We'll
Free.
take, we'll inspect, we'll do a moisture test, we'll check all the cracks.
How do we get in touch with you? How do you find people?
Perfect. How they get a hold of us?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a 800 number or www.
And there it is.
DVConcretecoatings.com.
There you go. It's all up on your screen right now. So
We have an 860 number. Is that good?
Yes, that's perfect.
860-608-7167, dvconcretecoatings.com for your free consultation.
860-608-7167.
Yep.
We make ugly concrete look sexy.
I love
That
it.
is so great. You guys are so much fun to have you on the
Yeah,
show.
thank you
Peter
so
and
much.
Liz,
Thank you so much for being with
Thank
us.
you.
We so appreciate it. All right.
Scott's going to give you a call in approximately
You're
5
coming to
minutes.
my house.